Good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss the geometrical shapes and from which I am taking circle. What is a circle? Circle होता क्या है? So many things you must have seen in your daily life, like in circular shape, like a ball, a bangle, the carom or a coin. All these things are in circular shape. So what is a circle? Circle is a simple closed curve whose every point is equidistant from a fixed point in its interior, and this fixed point is called the center of the circle. See, this is the center of the circle O, and what is it? It is a closed curve. It is a simple closed curve whose every point, इसका हर point equidistant होगा center से. You can check it out by drawing a circle. This is called a circle. Next is the line segment joining the center of the circle to any of the point on the circle, that will be called the radius. So OA will be the radius of the circle here. The line segment that joins the center of the circle and any point on the circle. You can draw anywhere here, and there can be so many radius of it in a circle. We can draw large number of radii. Radii means plural of radius of a circle, and all will have the same length. सबकी length जो है वो equal होगी. See, in this circle what I have drawn so many radiuses like OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF. So all these are the radius of the circle, and in plural we say radii of the circle, and all will have the same length, equal length. Basically we are discussing these are the parts of the circle. Next is the line segment passes through the center of the circle and whose endpoints lie on the circle, that will be called the diameter. What is the diameter? Diameter is the line segment that passes through the center of the circle and its endpoints will lie on the circle. That will be called the diameter. And you can check one relation between diameter and length of the radius. That is, length of diameter is twice the length of the radius by taking 3 or more circles of different sizes, and then you can check it out yourself. Next is the line segment whose endpoints are on the circle. Suppose if we are taking any line segments but it is not passing through the center of the circle. If it does not pass through the center of the circle, we are just finding the line segment whose endpoints are on the circle. That will be called the chord of the circle. That will be called chord of the circle. Now, the chord of the circle, it may or may not contain the center of the circle. See there, PQ, AB, CD, MN and XY, all of these are the chords. But if the line segment passes through the center of the circle, then it will be the diameter of the circle. So it will be the diameter of the circle by the definition, and it will be the longest chord of the circle. Diameter will be the longest chord of the circle. Clear? Next is any point on the circle is called the arc of the circle. Any part of the circle. कोई भी part, कोई भी portion ले लो. You can take any of the portion. Like if I have taken here 2 points on the circle, that is P and Q. So this part is called the arc of the circle, and it can be shown, it can be denoted by an arc like this. PQ is the arc of the circle. Next is the region enclosed by an arc on one side. एक region जो enclosed हो by an arc. First I have taken the arc AB and a pair of radii on the other two sides, and 2 radii are there. If this part, this is the region enclosed by an arc and 2 radius of the circle, that will be called the sector. It will be called the sector. And if we consider a region enclosed by the chord and the arc, if I take this arc, and this is a chord, then it will be called the segment of the circle. इसे हम बोल देते हैं segment. It will be called segment. Now next is how to find out the perimeter. अब circle का perimeter we can't find out with the use of a scale. Scale के use से हम नहीं find out कर सकते. We can't do it. So we use thread to find out the length of the boundary of the circle. So the length of the boundary of the circle, that is called the circumference. By using thread we can find it out. And if a circular sheet is folded into two halves, suppose if a circular sheet I have taken and I fold it into two equal halves, then the half of the circle will be called the semicircle. The half of the circle will be called the semicircle. And the diameter, it divides it into two equal parts. And see, this is the diameter. It is dividing this circle in two equal halves. और दोनों equal halves क्या कहते हैं उसको? Semicircle. I think you understand all about the circle.